Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Axe DevTools for UI accessibility testing. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the official Axe DevTools website. Once there, locate the Get Started button or section. Click on it to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a sign-up page. Fill in the required information such as your name, email address, and any other details requested. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements outlined on the page. After entering your information, look for the Sign Up or Register button and click on it. You may receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open that email and click on the confirmation link provided. This will redirect you back to the Axe DevTools website. Log in using the email and password you just created. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Explore the features available in the Axe DevTools interface. To access the UI accessibility testing tools, navigate to the Testing section. Follow the prompts to install any necessary browser extensions, if required. Once the extensions are installed, you can begin testing your UI for accessibility. Upload or input the URL of the web application you wish to test. Click the Run Test button to initiate the accessibility scan. Review the results presented after the scan is completed. The results will display issues identified along with suggestions for remediation. Take note of the suggestions and start making the necessary changes to your UI. After making changes, you can rerun the test to check for improvements. Regularly check back in your dashboard for updates and new features. Continue to use Axe DevTools to enhance the accessibility of your projects consistently. Utilizing this tool not only improves user experience but also helps you adhere to accessibility standards. And that's how you register with Axe DevTools for UI accessibility testing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.